The architectural process can be long and complex, so it helps to break it into manageable phases. In total, there are 5 different phases of design, and in this video, we will be discussing schematic design. My name is Nathan Griffith, and I am an architect here at Newman Munson Architects. Schematic design is the first step in taking a concept and turning it into a design. In this phase, your ideas start to become tangible. We believe the best projects occur when everyone involved knows what to expect in terms of deliverables and time commitments. This video will break down the schematic design process by explaining the relationship between schematic design and pre-design, the steps of the schematic design process, expectations in terms of meeting and time commitments, Newman Munson's approach to schematic design. After watching, you will know what to expect, how to engage your architect, and who to include in schematic design meetings. Before diving into the schematic design process, let's discuss pre-design and its role in crafting a vision for your project. In pre-design, your architect will engage your project stakeholders and collect information that will form the foundation of concepts developed in the design process. Some information will relate to your project goals. In vision workshops and benchmarking tours, your architect will learn about your organization and the needs of the building's occupants. If you need to develop a program, your architect will help you determine your needs and quantify them into spaces. At the same time, your architect may bring together a team of consultants to identify potential project constraints. For example, if you are undertaking a renovation, your architect may consult structural and mechanical engineers to learn about the building's existing conditions. With a firm understanding of your needs, wants, and the project's constraints, you are ready to head into schematic design. In schematic design, your architect takes the raw data collected in pre-design and uses it to form a design. A standard American Institute of Architects contract specifies an architect should develop 3 concepts, but the number you explore depends on your goals and the agreement you form with your architect. Your architect will begin the rough sketches of floor plans and the building's exterior. Through collaborative exploration, these rough sketches will gradually become more detailed and include elevations and material choices. At this stage, material choices will be general. Your architect may specify metal cladding or gypsum walls, but not specify the exact product. If you use the design build or design negotiate build project delivery method, your architect may collaborate with your contractor to better understand potential material costs. Throughout the design process, your architect will use a variety of visualization tools to help you understand the design and its intent. These tools may include sketches of the building's exterior, floor plans, 3D models and renderings, physical models. Keep in mind, renderings may be a supplemental service. Most architects will create a 3D model to help you understand the design, but additional renderings may be outside of the scope of the basic services. Renderings or videos for marketing or fundraising purposes may be an additional expense. The schematic design process doesn't occur in a vacuum. Each concept develops through communication, collaboration, and feedback. As such, you should expect to meet with your architect regularly to discuss the design and its development. Usually, you will have weekly or bi-weekly meetings with your architect. Most meetings will include your core team of decision makers. For some organizations, the core team may be a board of directors or facilities team. Other organizations may have a more informal process. In meetings, it's important to be communicative and voice your opinions. Schematic design is the best time to make changes. In this phase, the design is malleable, and we haven't determined any specifications. As the process progresses, it's more difficult and more expensive to change the design. At Newman Munson, We emphasize a collaborative schematic design process. After pre-design, we usually host an ideation session where we solicit thoughts and ideas from anyone in our studio, including the non-designers. In the early stages of the process, our internal knowledge groups begin collaborating with the project team. Our design quality team joins the process to review plans and see that the design aligns with AIA's framework for design excellence. At the same time, our sustainability team works to align the project with the latest green building practices. For architects and clients alike, schematic design is one of the most exciting parts of an architectural process. As your architect and your consultants begin testing the design against all constraints, you will get a better understanding of your project's timeline and cost, helping you prepare for the process ahead. Remember, throughout the design process, communication is key. Schematic design is the best time to make changes, so prepare to enthusiastically voice your thoughts and opinions. Don't worry, you won't hurt our feelings. Thanks for watching.